So guys, these are the common errors that we often make while presenting or making a sentence. Now what do we mean by the errors as such? Errors means those small or petty mistakes that we do, but these mistakes actually lead us to the wrong sentence, right? So for reading these errors, for studying these errors, we'll start with errors in the use of articles. Now we all understand that article means a and the, right? These are the three words that are being used in articles, with articles. So indefinite article होते हैं a और and, definite article होता है the, पक्का, definite. We start with an. Now we all know that we use an before the vowels. So before words beginning with vowel sounds, a, e, I, o, u are called vowels. Other words are consonants. So any other alphabet which is not a, e, I, o, u are called as consonants. So if I say an apple, an egg, an owl, so we have to use and before them. If we use a or the, this sentence becomes wrong, right? Okay. So the part number two, before words beginning with silent H. Now we, till now, all of us know that any word starting with A, E, I, O, U have to carry a vowel. But this is not true. This is not true. Why? Because there are certain words that are beginning with H still carry an along with them. Why? Because they give or they give us the sound of a vowel. An R, an honorable man, and here, an honest man. So they all give us the sound of a vowel. If you remember in the very first sentence, we talked about vowel sounds. So what is important is sounding a vowel. The alphabet may not be that important, but the sound of a vowel is important, right? Now, to your surprise, you will also come to know that there are certain words starting with F, H, L, M, N, R, S, X. They are not vowels. Still, we use an before them, right? So these are consonants otherwise. They are letters that are not vowels but begin with the sound of the vowel. For example, I say M has the sound of EM, right? So vowel aa gaya. And is used before such abbreviations beginning with vowels or these letters. So if I say MLA, now I have to say otherwise a MLA, right? But it would be a wrong sentence, wrong word. So I have to use an MLA. So M, we have just talked about M starts with EM. It is not with all the M's, but few M's. So MLA, Rapid Action Force, and RAF, and NCC, and FIR, and X-ray, and HE school, and SP, and Lee school, right? So what we have to write is we have to write as per the sound of the vowel. If the vowel, the word may be a vowel but does not sound a vowel, then we do not use and before them, right? So I'll tell you in the later part that there are certain words which are otherwise vowels, like they start with a, maybe e, I, o, u, but they do not sound a vowel. So sounding a vowel is important. The alphabet as a vowel is not important, right? So similarly consonants, but they sound like vowels. The words start with the sound of a vowel. That is why we put and before them. Now next is use of a. So use of a in the sense of one. जब हमने कहीं सिंगल वन शो करना है, सेंस देनी है, तो वी ऑलवेज यूज ए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही कुड नॉट स्पीक अ वर्ड टू सेव हिमसेल्फ. एक भी शब्द वो बोल नहीं पाया. सो ए. With one begins with sound of W, right? So a one man show. If you remember A, E, I, O, U, so O again is a vowel. But is it sounding as a vowel here? It is not. Since it is not sounding as a vowel, so we put A before it, right? Or 1 rupee note. So we never use the word an here. We never say an 1 rupee note, and one man show. No, it will be wrong, right? So we have to write a 1 rupee note, 1 rupee, one man show. Okay, why? Because they sound their sound starts with W, not O, irrespective of the fact that they are vowels. Still, we use A before them. We use A before the words beginning with consonant. We have already studied that there are few words which are vowels, there are few words which are not vowels. So we use A before all the consonants. A boy, a box, a dog, with vowel letters having consonant value. So vowels तो हैं लेकिन उनकी value consonant है. अब please understand, university starts with U, unique starts with U, euphemism, phonism starts with E, right? Still we use A before them. And the only reason for this is they do not sound a vowel. The starting word do not sound a vowel. So that is why we say a university, a unique article, a euphemism, a unit, a European language. We never say an European language. Okay, so it is a European language. All these begin with consonant sound of U, which is YU, right? Because they start with the sound of Y, it means it means that yes, we have to use A, not the vowel before them. With units and rate, जब हम पर केजी रेट यूनिट्स में एक्सप्रेस करते हैं, सो ही अर्न्स ₹500 अ मंथ, सो पर मंथ, अ मंथ, राइट? सो राइस सेल्स 10 रुपीज अ किलो, यानी कि पर किलो, 1 किलो का, सो अ किलो. गिव मी अ मीटर लेंथ ऑफ द क्लोथ, अ मीटर, यानी कि 1 मीटर लेंथ चाहिए. So in exclamatory expressions before single countable nouns, exclamatory expressions जहाँ पे singular countable nouns हम express करते हैं. What a pretty girl. जितने भी exclamatory expressions होंगे उनमें हम normally a use करते हैं. How sunny a day. We always use a before them. When two subjects or articles thought of as a single unit, जब दो subjects या articles एक single unit की तरह होते हैं, he was ready with a cup and saucer. वो cup और saucer के साथ तैयार हैं. So दो subjects या articles जिसको हम single unit बोलते हैं, a cup and a saucer, एक cup और एक saucer, ठीक है? So हम क्या express करते हैं? We always express them as a single unit. A cigarette is made of a paper and tobacco. So एक paper और tobacco के साथ. So we express them as a single unit, right? With certain expressions of quantity, a lot of. जब हम quantity को कई बार use करते हैं तो हम ये express करते हैं, a lot of, a dozen of, a great deal of, a couple. ठीक है? So एक से ज़्यादा. couple का मतलब एक से ज़्यादा होता है, लोग, दो लोग. With a person's name to indicate that the person is perhaps unknown to the opinion addressed. So जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं वो unknown है, और Mr. Roy is at the door. जिस बंदे के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, और Mr. Roy, right? With a special meal. Special meal कैसे यूज करते हैं हम? To celebrate something or in someone's honor. किसी के ओनर में. I called my friends to a lunch to celebrate my success. I called my friends to a lunch. So एक lunch पे, a lunch, right? So special meal जब हम express करेंगे. A dinner was arranged to welcome the principal. एक dinner हम arrange करते हैं टू वेलकम द प्रिंसिपल, प्रिंसिपल को वेलकम करने के लिए। टू मेक अ कॉमन नाउन ऑफ अ प्रॉपर नाउन, किसी भी प्रॉपर नाउन का कॉमन नाउन बनाना है, ठीक है। सो प्रॉपर नाउन न्यूटन, सेकंड न्यूटन। सो व्हाट डू वी यूज? वी ऑलवेज यूज दिस मैन इज ए सेकंड न्यूटन। So this phrase means a philosopher as great as Newton. A Daniel came to the judgment. So Daniel came to the judgment. The phrase means a wise man. So a wise man is judgment पे आया है, right? So here we use an. We do not use an, rather we use a. Okay. So these are a, the use of a and an. Next is definite article. Now definite article means use of the. So how do we use the? When we speak of a particular person or thing already referred to, जब भी हम कुछ ऐसी बात करते हैं जिसके बारे में हम ऑलरेडी रेफर कर चुके हैं, इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? The. We always use the. I dislike the follow. The boy near the taps is my brother. So you're talking of a particular person, definite banda. There may be hundreds of boys standing there, but someone who is standing near the taps is the brother. When the singular noun represents a whole class, एक ही noun है जो पूरी class को represent करता है, जैसे mango. So we always use the mango. So if I talk about it literally, then probably we have given some kind of importance to this fruit. That is why we use the word the. The mango is considered as the king of fruits, king among fruits. The ass is used as a beast of burden, right? Remarks. The nouns man and woman do not take the before them. So man और woman जो होते हैं वो कभी भी the नहीं लेते अपने आसपास. So man is the greatest of God's creations. You cannot say, you can never say the man is the greatest. No. So man is the greatest. The greatest मतलब superlative degree हो गई ना greatest. So the, उससे ऊपर कोई नहीं है creation. That is why we use the here. With names of, जब भी हम गल्फ, रिवर्स, ओशंस, आइलैंड्स, माउंटेन्स, जब भी हम ये सब यूज करते हैं, सो वी से द हिमालयाज, द इंडियन ओशन, द पर्शियन गल्फ, स्पेसिफिक डेफिनेट चीज, द रेड सी, द अंडमान आइलैंड्स, द ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर. सो दिस all expresses, all these express the definite article. That is why we put the before them. We also put the before certain books, the Vedas, the Purans, the Bible, the Ramcharitamanas. These are books of respect, right? So specific books, definite books, definite article. Musical instruments, the flute, the violin, the tabla, the trumpet, right? The inventions. So कोई भी invention होगी उसके आगे हम the लगाएंगे. I hate the telephone for its constant ringing. बार बार रिंग करता है, इस कारण से मैं टेलीफोन को हेट करता हूँ. द टेलीविजन इज अ गिफ्ट ऑफ साइंस. सो न्यू इन्वेंशन है ना, सो इसलिए हम उसको, सो व्हाट आर वी ट्राइंग टू डू हियर? वी आर ट्राइंग टू गिव रिस्पेक्ट टू द television or maybe to the telephone. Why? Because we are trying to say that this is something unique which has been invented. Parts of the body. So he was wounded in the leg. So parts of body, हमेशा specific definite article के कारण the लगेगा ही लगेगा. They hit him on the hands. अपने हाथों में hit किया. Religious groups. Religious groups क्या होते हैं? The Sikhs, the Hindus, the Parsis. So जितने भी religious groups हैं, we always put the before them. Names enforcing the law. The police, the navy, the air force. हमेशा हम लॉ को जब भी एनफोर्स करते हैं, वी ऑलवेज यूज द बिफोर दैम. ओके, लॉ एनफोर्सिंग एजेंसीज जो है, सो द पुलिस, द नेवी, द आर्मी, द एयर फोर्स. We always put the before the political parties. So I say the Congress, the Janata party, the BJP. So we always put the before them. We put the before aeroplanes, ships, trains. The Makalu aeroplane, the Vikrant ship, the Rajdhani Express train. Before names of an empire, dynasty, historical event. The Gupta dynasty, the Old Stone Age, the First World War, the American Revolution. So when we have to talk specific or we have to give respect to a particular thing or a person, we put the before them. Clubs, the Lions Club, the Ford Foundation, right? Before the common nouns denoting unique things, वो common noun जो कुछ unique चीजें denote करते हैं. For example, the sun, the sky, the earth, the world, the stars. We always express common nouns before them. With superlatives, he is the best boy in the class. सुपरलेटिव डिग्री है कि उससे अच्छा कोई है ही नहीं, सो हम हमेशा द यूज करेंगे. Prizes would be given for the most outstanding performance. So most, सबसे ज्यादा, so superlative डिग्री है. With ordinals, he took the first taxi that came his way. So ordinals, सबसे पहली टैक्सी उसने लिया जो उसके रास्ते में आई, जो उसके सामने आई. He lives in the 10th block. Our class is on the second floor. Okay, before the comparative degree. So comparative, the more they get, the more they want. जितना ज्यादा उनको मिलेगा उतना ज्यादा वो want करेंगे. He is the cleverer of the two. So we are kind of comparing them, right? Cleverer of the two. Before an adjective, when the noun is understood. So किसी भी ऐसे adjective के आगे जब हम noun से treat करते हैं उसको, the poor would favor him. We must not shun the disabled. जो disabled है हमें उनको नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए. So these are where we use the articles. These are the way we use the articles. The articles a and the.